I'm Linda. This is my dog, Toby, and we moved from California this last summer to Colorado, and so basements and crawl spaces were not something we knew anything about. And I soon after the inspection and the purchase knew that I needed to have work done in my crawl space from the inspection. In addition, I have some serious allergies, and I really decided I wanted to encapsulate the crawl space for my own health. I made calls to a couple companies because I wanted to get as much information as I could and what my choices were. And over those discussions and visits, and also checking online and learning and growing, I chose Peak Structural. And I have to highlight, John, who came out and spoke with me, was a gentleman and truly a scholar about all the details of what's involved, what the pluses and minuses are of different things. He also confided that he decided to get a job at Peak Structural after they did work for him on a big problem. And he was so impressed with just the quality of the whole organization. So that's my first step of my journey. So once Austin and Sam came out to do the work, and it was actually encapsulated, because I'm very sensitive to dust, to anything in the air, and what had crossed my fingers this was going to actually help. And so the biggest gift to me from all the hard work that Austin and Sam did was it made a difference. They were courteous, they were willing to interact with me and explain, because it was all fascinating to me. For instance, they explained why they were covering the vent, that they know no longer do we even want that, and they just kept at their job, hard workers. And so overall, the biggest thing was just being aware that there was a difference for me after the work was done. Peak Structural is one of the best welcomes I have had to Colorado.